Welcome to 25th of July, which is day 25 of our 31-day challenge of investing £1 a day into the S&P 500 and into a stock of our choice. In this case, we picked Rolls-Royce to prove that it is doable. Not only is it doable, we can actually gain good results from it. As you can see, we are currently 4.7% up since we started. So we're looking at high yield savings accounts around probably a little bit better than what you would get from your typical cash ISA. So we're doing well overall. There's been a bit of volatility in the market. So for the day so far, we are 0.3% up compared to this time yesterday. And compared to this time last week, we are 0.1% up. Let's look at the holdings very quickly. Rolls-Royce is down again. That's that volatility we keep talking about, which is why individual stocks are regarded as more risky than funds. So let's take a quick pound in there. So look at the average price there, 984 and 90p. So we'll take advantage of that and get some cheaper stocks and try to reduce our average. That 1 penny stamp duty gets to me every single time. Let's see if that goes straight through. Yep, it's gone straight through. Let's look at our average now. So it's 984.9. It hasn't made a lot of difference, but it's still better to buy cheaper stocks than buying them more expensive. Let's do the same with the Vanguard S&P 500. So that's having applied in there. It's 0.58% up so far today, and it's now 2.33% up overall. Let's stick that pound into that one as well. Review that order, send the order, and that's gone straight through as well. So let's have a quick nosy on the one we put that £1 in overall. That's got a blinding start today as well, and now 4.42%. So this is definitely now a high yield savings account. The Santander one that we're using for this challenge, that's 6% for the year. We've done 5.42% in 3 weeks. It just shows you how much more you can get from investing in the stock market versus just saving the money in cash form. Anyway, that's it done. I will be back with the updates and the results. We now get to a point where we finalize what we're going to do in terms of our giveaways, our challenges, and so on. And keep sending your screenshots. It's very good to see. Once we announce the challenge and the competition, then we will give you all the details, and hopefully we can do that in the last week of the challenge. On that note, have a wonderful day, have a fantastic weekend, and I'll be back in touch as soon as possible. Ciao, bye.